Hello friends, it's indeed inspiring to see you back again. And today I have come in a different mode because I wanted to discuss with you, are you really understanding what exactly is SQL? Are you really getting what exactly is a database? If not, then no worries, I'm here to help you out. Now, you can just look at your school bag. What do you do with your school bag? You keep certain books inside it, you keep your stationery inside it. So, what is the purpose of your school bag? The purpose is that you keep certain things inside the school bag. Now, let's take example of a cupboard. So, what is the purpose of a cupboard? The purpose of the cupboard is we used to keep our things, which could be the clothes, which could be some books. So, we keep our things into a cupboard. Similar way, we have shelves in the kitchen. So what do we do with them? Again, we keep things on them. Now, I believe these many examples make it very simple. What is a database? It is basically a place where we can store data. And how do we do that? Database has got a mechanism. For example, if you want to store your data into a database, then you need to have a table. So, a set of information you can store into a table. If you have some more information which is a bit different from this particular set of information, you can create one more table and you can store inside that particular table. The data inside the table is known as records or rows. So we have n number of rows inside one table, and multiple tables can stay inside a single database. So this is what is a database, similar to what we have cupboards, almirahs, and different shelves in real time. Can you give me an example from your side of how do you see database now? And you can keep on writing us if you have any queries, any questions on databases or SQL. Keep watching, and if you have not yet subscribed our channel, what are you waiting for? Go and click the subscribe button and press the bell icon as well. Share with your friends. Thank you very much. See you in the next video.